Alright, so you've purchased hosting through D&D Labs, and you've received an email in your inbox that should have your login link, your username, and your password for cPanel. So after you've logged into cPanel, this is what you will see. In this case, we're going to be looking for email because we're going to create an email account. Select email accounts, and over here you'll see the button create. And let's go ahead and do that. So domain, this is where the email is going to be at. So down here you'll see that if I put Tony Test, whoops, it'll be at dndlabs.io, and that's what the email address will be. And if I go up here and change it, you'll see that it changes that. Let's leave it at that. Now down here you can set your password here, or you can provide an alternate email. An alternate email would be either your Gmail account or whatever email account you have, or if you're creating an email account for someone else, you would put in their email. It would send them an email with a link to then create their password. And down here we can set the storage space. So if you're pretty bad at managing your emails, maybe you want to set it low so that it kind of forces you to clean up your inbox. Or you can set unlimited if you're going to be sending bigger files. It's really up to you. Automatically create folders. This will just create different categories within your inbox. So you can keep that if you want, or turn it off. It's up to you. And send a welcome email with instructions to set up your mail client. So if you're using Outlook or Thunderbird, this would be useful because it'll provide all the information you need to connect your email account to your mail client, which is very handy. So I need to set my password now, and then I'm going to click create, and that's all there is to it. You now have your new email account. If you click on check mail, it'll just log you right in. Right here you have the option of selecting two different webmail clients, so you have Horde and Roundcube. If you do not click this checkbox right here, it'll always bring you to this page, so you can test out the two different webmail clients, see which one you like if you're going to be checking your mail on through your browser. So, but of course, if you're using a mail client, that won't really affect you. Alright, so we've logged in. If we look at this email configuration email, it has all the information you need to configure that. You got some different features here on the webmail client. Let's log out though. And I'm going to log back in and show you something else. Show you some other options that are available here for you. Okay, so if you log back into your webmail, you'll see that you have some options here that are also available in your cPanel, so you can do it through there as well. But you can set up your email forwarders here, or an autoresponder. That's pretty cool. If you need to filter some junk mail out that's been coming to your inbox, you can do it through your email filters. Now, so forwarders, pretty simple, straightforward. Let's add one now. Let's just forward this to one of my Gmail accounts from back in the day. Add forwarder. And that's all there is to it. It'll still get the emails directly to this email's inbox, but it will also forward a copy to my Gmail that I just put in. So if I go back to forwarders though, I can see that this one is still here, and I'm going to delete this one for now. So that's how you can do that. So we're going to press go back again. Let's go set up an autoresponder. Add autoresponder. The number of hours to wait between responses to the same email address. Let's do 24 hours. That way, if someone sends me 2 emails in a row within the same hour, it's not going to send them the same email again. Alright, from... let's do this. And testing autoresponder. Hello world. Cool. And obviously you can do more advanced stuff here with your HTML. And yeah, set up custom start and end dates, and it's pretty straightforward. And that's that. I now have an autoresponder up and working. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and delete this too. Cool. And now I'll go back to email accounts, and if I open up the details for this one, I can see that there's a delete option, or I can select this checkbox and then press delete up here. So I will delete this one now. Or am I sure I want to delete it? If we do, we permanently delete all the account's data. So let's do that. Okay, and we've successfully deleted it. And that's all there is to it for creating and adding your email accounts, setting up autoresponders, and setting up forwarders.